To separate egg whites from egg yolks, we have to crack the shell and release the egg, then scoop out the egg yolk and separate. Now, to make sure that we don't damage the egg yolk during the process of separation, we can place the eggs in the fridge or in a chill place a few minutes before cracking. The quantity of the egg white can vary from egg to egg depending on the size of the egg, starting with about 30 to 35 grams per egg up to about 60 grams per egg for the very large eggs. Egg white can be fresh or matured or aged, and to age it we have to leave the fresh egg white exposed to the air overnight so that the water gets evaporated. A room temperature should be between 18 and 22 degrees. Egg yolks, if not used immediately, they can be wrapped into a plastic bag, stored in a fridge for the next day use, or in a freezer to be used later within 3 months.